I wanted to bring something to y'all attention. I was going through my comments and I saw that one of my subscribers had replied to a comment I didn't post saying I don't do WhatsApp. And this made me look into this comment, and when I went in further, I saw that it was a fake Yon World account commenting on certain comments under my videos. So I'm making this video just to bring awareness to y'all. This happens to a lot of different content creators on YouTube. As your channel grow, it's always like a fake Yon World or a fake identical profile to whatever the content creator name is they always create this and they comment WhatsApp phone numbers, right? I want to teach y'all something about the internet. If anybody is trying to contact you or trying to get you to buy anything from them using a WhatsApp number, it's a scam. And y'all gotta know that that's like internet 101. Like, never respond, never even take nobody serious if they say contact me by a WhatsApp number. Like, this is a spam comment. I don't know how they auto generate all of this stuff, but if we click on this profile, you will see that it's like a fake Yon World profile. It was just created August 18th. So I don't know why they decided to make a fake Yon World profile. But I'm just telling y'all, beware of comments like this. If it's from me, 10 times out of 10, I'm gonna like the comment first, right? I'm gonna like the comment and then I'll comment back. So just beware of these spam comments. I wanted to make this quick video because I seen this happen on other YouTube content creator channels like Graham Stephan, Meet Kevin, like all of these different financial channels. It's always like a little fake bot channel that's created and it comments under everybody's post. So if y'all see this, I'm gonna do my job to hide and block these users from even interacting with y'all. But if y'all see this, don't respond to them. Like, know that it's not me. If you think it's me, click on the name. You can click on anybody's name in the comments and see what they page look like. If you confused even more, go to the about section. You can click on anybody page, go to the about section. You can see when it was created. If it don't have no content, it's not me. So just beware of that. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Beware of them spam comments on YouTube, man. If it's from me, like I said, 10 times out of 10, I'm gonna like the comment and then I comment. But it's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.